Hi everybody, it's me Evan or DroneKid. Here in this video, I'm just gonna fly around manually, and I've been told that there's gonna be a little surprise. So I don't know what the surprise is gonna be, but let's get into it.
All right, Evan. DroneKid, you ready for your surprise?
Yeah.
You ready? Now what are you going to do? Come over here and tell me what you're going to do.
Well, I mean, if I want to come home, I guess I'm gonna have to press the home button. So I'm just gonna press that.
Okay, all right, so coming home with the home button, that's too easy, right? What's the next option? You could set waypoints using the map to find your way out of that alley. But now what's going to happen? Okay, that's too easy still. What are you going to do next? You can come closer so it can make sure to hear you, Evslers. So you could fly manually, but then the screen is completely black, right? We don't have any forward lights.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do next? The live LiDAR view on the bottom there? So you could fly with that one, but that one's a bit small, right, to actually do a lot of flying. So what are you going to do next? So you're going to reposition the map, right? The drone is right there. You're going to reposition the map, and then you're going to hit that button. What's that button do? So that button right there makes the sticks go back to piloting sticks rather than manipulate the map. So now you're going to use all of the collision avoidance and fly yourself back. Keep looking at the screen. Don't look at the drone. And just fly yourself back. Do you see where you're going? Oh my, you chose that route to come back home. That's good. You're flying right into the corridor, right towards us. Keep coming. Keep coming. It's okay. You're doing something extremely challenging for someone that's never, that has less than 15 minutes of stick time. You might have less than 10 minutes of stick time of flying manually with lights on. Oh, look at that. Now it's right here. Okay, release the sticks. You want to go left hand to the left? So, yeah, you're right there next to us now. I just don't want you to go try to fly into us, but the collision avoidance won't let you. There you go. Oh my gosh. The DroneKid has just flown around the warehouse in complete pitch darkness. Okay, do you want another challenge? No, I want to challenge you some more. That seemed almost too easy. I want you to go to that side of the warehouse on the other side of the wall. That's to our back. So you gotta, yep. I want you to go right here, right into there to explore that side. Yes, then you can hit home. Then I'll let you go off the hook. Okay, find your way into that opening in the complete darkness. Yep. He hit pilot. There you go. There you go. Don't look at the drone, look at your screen. I don't want you to cheat by looking at the drone. Once it starts adding the map over there, that means you passed it. Oh my gosh. There you go. Keep going at it some more. All right, just stop right there. Stop right there. I'm going to turn on the lights just to show everyone where he is. That's where he is, right there. He found his way into that opening over there, and then is right there by that column and by those chairs. All right, let's go ahead and turn off the lights. All right. Try to see if you can come a little bit closer to me. There you go. All right, that's it. All right, so go ahead and why don't you let me go back to you over there. Go ahead and hit come back home.
And then like I said, every time it acts like it's a waypoint, the home way, and it follows the flag.
Yep. So the drone is flying along this wall right here. Along the wall right there. Now it's flying home completely on its own. Through that opening. And no one is touching the sticks. There it is. Go ahead and land it. I am impressed. How many minutes of stick time do you have flying yourself in total?
I don't know, like 20 minutes, 15, not much.
Not much at all. I mean, this morning when you flew manually, and then last summer, and then for a few minutes upstairs in the hallway centering. Flying in the complete dark using the map to navigate your way around. And the rest was all collision avoidance. All right, the DroneKid does it again. You want to wave goodbye? Signing off? Signing off, DroneKid. And then our famous voice, there he goes, by our famous voice in the background, say hello.
Hey,
Andre?
Hi, I'm still here.
Andre in the house. All right, till next time.